Yo, you want to have a great drink for a great party like a Low Country Boil? This is how we do it. We have today Southpaw Punch. It's a honey lemonade drink. It's fantastic, and it's so named for a couple reasons. The first reason, because we're showing much love and respect to our brothers and sisters in the South. The second reason for the Southpaw name is yours truly is a Southpaw. And one of my favorite people to drink with, my father-in-law, may you rest in peace, once said to me the only thing that was really good about me was that I was a Southpaw, because he was a Koufax guy. But we had drinks anyways. So the first thing we're gonna make is the lemonade. For lemonade, the big key ingredient, lemons. So we juiced 9 lemons, and this is what we got out of it, about 1.5 cups. So squeeze them all in there, the pulp is fine, just scoop out the seeds. After that, we've got 1.5 cups of simple syrup. And what basically we're doing here, man, we're talking science, y'all. This is a chemistry experiment. When you make things like sugar, lemon, juice like that, it creates a perfect solution, so it suspends and it won't settle, which is pretty interesting. To make that happen though, you need cold water. So we've got 7 cups of ice cold water. Once we've got this all in there, shake it up. Just shake it, shake it, shake it. Eventually the color will be even all the way across, and you've got your homemade lemonade. Better than any ones you're gonna find in the store, and a lot cheaper too. We're gonna mix things up, y'all, and mix up this punch. And this punch delivers a punch too, because it's not for the faint of heart. We're taking that big old thing of lemonade we had, add that in. And then to make this really sweet and nice, we've got about 1.5 cups of honey simple syrup. All you gotta do, take a full bear of honey, 12 ounces, same amount of water over medium heat, heat it up, and then you've got this perfectly distilled, gorgeous mixture. And finally, maybe the big star of the whole shebang, this hootenanny, is 3 cups of some good old Southern whiskey. After that, just stir it evenly, and we're moving on. We're ready to rock this thing. Got the base of our punch, this honey, lemony, sunny goodness. We go pretty high on it because we're trying to get pretty high here. And then just some club soda at the top. Give it a stir. You know how we like to stir it up. Then we garnish it with a cherry. That's some low down dirty fun. Southpaw Punch.